all that wintry mess is out of the area for now. I am tracking a few scattered snow showers around later this afternoon and into the evening. Little to no accumulation, but at times you could encounter a more moderate burst as this disturbance rolls on in. So not expecting much in the way of snow today, but we've got a lot to talk about as we head into the holiday weekend. It's President's Day weekend, and of course we have Valentine's Day tomorrow. So I do want to mention that because the bright spot tomorrow, we've got the sun returning for parts of our area. It's not going to be a full out sunny day, but I do expect the first half of the day to see breaks of sunshine around. Still rather cold, but enough to issue a cuddle alert. And then this weekend, we've got a lot to talk about. Snow, rain, wintry mix, definitely messy, and a cold blast on the way. Wait until you see some of these temperatures next week. It's definitely going to be a cold one. Speaking of temperatures, we've got temps right now sitting generally in the upper 20s, and they are sitting there through the remainder of the day today. We're holding steady. We've got lots of cloud cover around the area, and it's more about the wind right now. Winds have been gusting upwards of 30 to 35 throughout the morning. This is going to continue as we head through the afternoon today. So definitely a windy day ahead of us, and again, we'll be tracking a few scattered snow showers later on. So let's go ahead and check temperatures for you right now. We've got temperatures sitting mid and upper 20s at the moment. Winds coming in out of the west, sustained between 15 and 20, but we're gusting near 30 right now in many locations. So 28-mile-per-hour wind gusts, Hopkins, 29-mile-per-hour wind gusts, Ashtabula. So your wind gusts sticking around here for the remainder of the day today. So of course, when you factor in the winds with temperatures in the 20s, it feels more like the teens. The culprit with the colder air, the cold front swept through this morning. Now I'm just watching the surface trough drift in. As it moves through, we'll likely have a few scattered snow showers with that later this afternoon and the evening. Again, not expecting much in the way with this, but I'll show you it on Futurecast. Here's your hour by hour, and here it comes, some scattered snow showers around. Now at times, you could get into one of those snow squalls, meaning more intensity as far as the snow falling, but not expecting much with it. You just reduce visibility and it will be in and out quick before you know it. But keep that in mind. That could be a possibility here later this afternoon into the early evening hours. It shuts down here overnight. We're seeing some partial clearing sky, colder temperatures back into the teens to kick off your Valentine's Day morning. Now we'll have some sunshine around to start off, mainly in our southern areas. Northern spots, we'll hang on to some more cloud cover, and then clouds start to thicken up as we move through the day tomorrow. Temperatures only making their way into the mid and upper 20s once again. Now, let's talk about our weekend ahead of us. We've got snow initially. This is going to kick off early Saturday morning. We'll have moderate to heavy snow with this as it moves in. Now, by the time we hit like 10 o'clock Saturday morning, we'll transition from snow over to rain, and that transition will occur from southwest to northeast through the late morning into the early afternoon. So how much snow with this first batch? First of all, today, little to no accumulation expected. There could be a couple spots that pick up upwards of an inch, but most areas, little to no accumulation expected with these scattered snow showers around. Now let's talk about Friday night. So again, it's starting off as snow and staying snow until late Saturday morning. I'm looking at general amounts of 1 to 2 inches with this, with locally higher amounts upwards of 3. So right now, general amounts of 1 to 2 inches Friday night into Saturday morning. Again, it's going to be changing over to rain and change over to all rain here as we head into Saturday evening and Saturday night. So you can see it here on the wider view. In fact, let me go ahead and back this up a bit. So this is Saturday, late afternoon and the evening. We've got the rain now moving back into our area, about an inch possible. So I wouldn't be surprised with the runoff rain, with the ground rather cold, and an inch of rain possible, that we could be dealing with some minor flooding in spots. And of course, we're going to be watching ice jams, in particularly the Chagrin River, and of course on the Huron River as well. So that could be an issue here Saturday night into Sunday. By the time we get into Sunday morning, expecting that rain to change over to all snow. And we can have moderate to heavy snow at times as the system curls out. So we're looking at a steady snow here through much of the day on Sunday. The colder air will move in behind that, and that's going to transition our widespread snow over to lake effect snow on Monday. Mainly in the primary snow belt, it's really going to be more about the cold, the bitter blast that moves in behind that system over the weekend. Our temperature is likely about 20 degrees below average, putting us in the teens, single-digit readings overnight. And then looking far ahead, this will change, obviously, the track timing of this, but we could be dealing with another potential storm system here late in the week, Thursday into Friday, maybe some more snow on tap for us as well. So February, end of February, looking pretty active the last 2 weeks still. Cloudy, windy, scattered snow showers around today. Temperatures staying in the upper 20s. 15 tonight, clouds gradually decrease. Again, it's not going to be an all-out sunny day tomorrow, but we will have some sunshine around, and we're loving that, even though it's colder. Temperatures ranging about 10 degrees below average. And then again, here's your bullet points for the upcoming President's Day weekend. We'll be tracking 2 rounds of accumulating snow, 1 round Friday night into Saturday morning, another round on Sunday. Rain will be arriving late Saturday afternoon into the evening, and that'll continue through part of your night on Saturday. So minor flooding, ice jams, we'll be watching out for that, and then that cold blast on Monday. So here's what it looks like on your 8-day forecast. We go from temperatures back to near 40 on Saturday, hence the rain late in the day, to colder, windy. Sunday, we'll have wind gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour throughout the day. And again, look at that 90% coverage. So it'll have a steady snow for much of the day on Sunday. And then President's Day, here comes the cold. Temperatures in the mid-teens. We've got single-digit readings overnight. And of course, you know, the wind chills will be colder than that. And then stay tuned for that system at the end of the week, Thursday into Friday. We'll be watching that as well. So I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and of course keep with us here for the latest forecast timing of transitions between rain and snow as we head through the upcoming weekend, and of course totals. Of course we want to know how much we're going to have to shovel, because yes, I do expect us to have to shovel here at times. So be sure to join me at noon. I'll have the latest, and again, stay tuned for our latest updates as we head into the holiday weekend.